Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about ChatGPT and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.